Most people in the weird world in the West have been traumatized by what often passes for science. It's used as this weapon of blunt force. Scientists, including evolutionary biologists, like to make statements and just expect you to believe them. You shouldn't just accept it because I'm up here and I have a PhD. And you can't have consilience between different kinds of evidence if you only have one kind of evidence. It's the kind of mistake that the reductionist, mechanistic, data-driven, pseudo, if I may, scientific investigations that many are involved in now are making. I would like to argue that that is not science. That's not science that is being taught that way, that is being wielded that way. Do the fittest actually survive? And if so, what makes an organism most fit? And how can we all get there? Given your particular sets of strengths and weaknesses, you may be on top at the moment, and that could change in a minute. I would like to take back science for the courageous and the creative and the curious. Science embraces uncertainty. It has to. Nothing is ever for sure.